Hello, it's Christian with Mate. The way we light our homes went mostly unchanged from Edison's time until the invention of the LED. LEDs use less energy, have a dramatically longer lifespan, and have precise brightness and color control. Traditional light bulbs use high voltage power to light up a thin filament, producing attractive, comfortable light. But a large portion of that power was lost as it was turned into heat. LED bulbs use that same high voltage power, but have to convert it to low voltage so it can be used to light the LED. Those power conversion electronics have to be miniaturized so they fit into the base of the bulb. LED lights do produce some heat, and that heat shortens the life of those electronics. This is why the LED bulb that's supposed to last 10 years fails after a few months. Mate and Environmental Lights have solved this issue by separating the power conversion electronics from the light. Power supplies can be installed in a closet, and less expensive, low-voltage wiring is run to the light fixtures. The small amount of heat from the fixture safely dissipates in the ceiling, while the high-efficiency power supplies continue running at their full potential. Mate uses the precise color and brightness capabilities of LEDs to produce light in the home that matches the color of the sun's light for the time of day. This is known as human-centric lighting and is known to increase alertness, improve mood, and lead to better sleep. But a great feature is only useful if it's easy to use. That's why we've made human-centric lighting automatic, with nothing to set up or configure. A simple rocker switch provides a familiar look and feel, while Mate's solar scenes ensure the color temperature supports our circadian rhythms. During construction, all lights are set to full bright. Upon completion, activating Mate's automatic solar scenes is as easy as selecting the floor plan from a list. All rooms, lights, and solar scenes will instantly be active. No programming or configuration required. Go ahead and turn the switch on and off. Everything looks and feels like using a normal switch. Now we'll simulate Mate adjusting the color temperature throughout the day. If the switch is on, the color is correct for that time of day. Homeowners can disable the solar scenes or edit them for color and brightness. Notice how the colors on the wall change with the color temperatures. Reflected light can impact the color of the light within a home, so Mate can further calibrate the color temperature to account for the wall color. Mate's map-to-match technology ensures downlights, under-cabinet lighting, and tunable lamps such as Philips Hue all match for color and brightness. Mate is ready to turn any home into a smart home. Mate connects all of your HomeKit devices and also links you to your non-HomeKit apps and services. Mate's customizable interface adapts to any home, and Mate works with any HomeKit-enabled dimmer for remote access to lights and control with Siri. High-efficiency, long-lasting fixtures, automatic solar scenes, zero programming, standard switches, matched color temperature, and HomeKit compatibility make Environmental Lights and Mate a great choice for bringing healthy homes to your clients today. Join Mate and our over 150,000 users in the App Store today.